Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I want to show you how you can use the Seamless.ai Chrome extension. So you will see how to find leads on LinkedIn and LinkedIn Sales Navigator, how to identify leads when you are on a website, how to get useful information about a company, and finally, at the end, I will show you a good alternative to this Chrome extension if you want to build your list of leads. So let's start. Alright, so the first thing you need to do if you want to use the Seamless.ai Chrome extension is to have a Seamless account. So if you want to create an account for free, you just need to click the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. I just want to let you know that if you use the link in the description, you might have some extra free credits. So once you've clicked the link in the description, you click here on Join Free, and then you will be able to create your free account. Once you are on Seamless, if you want to install the Chrome extension, you just need to go here on the bottom left of your screen. You click on your first name, and then here you see that we have Chrome extension. So we click on it, and then here we click on Add to Chrome, it's free. On this page, we click on Add to Chrome, and then Add extension. Quick tip, if you want to easily access this Chrome extension, I recommend you to pin the extension. So for that, Seamless, we just need to click here on Pin. And now you see that we have here the Seamless Chrome extension. Once you've installed the Chrome extension, you will get this Seamless button, and you see that we can easily move it. And now if I click on it, you see here that we have our contact. So if I want to get the verified emails and the phone number of this person, all I need to do is to click here on Find. And now you see that we have all the information we need to reach out to this lead. So what you can do is to add this lead to your CRM, or if you want, you can add it to a list. Or if I click here on the three dots, I have some options. For example, I can view the full profile, I can download, archive, or delete the contact. So let's say for this tutorial that I want to add this lead to a list. So I click on Add to List, and then let's say that I want to add this lead into this list, Head of Sales in San Francisco, like this. And now if I go back to my Seamless account, then here I go in Contact List, then I click on it, and then you see that we have on your list that we've just imported from LinkedIn. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how you can use the LinkedIn free search to find leads. So here you see that I want to target people who are head of sales, and I want these people based in the US. And here you see that we have a list of 10 people. So if I want to see the details of these leads, all I need to do is to click here on the Seamless button, and here you see that we have our list of leads. So here you see that we have 10 contacts, which is perfect. Now, if I want to have the informations of all these people on this page, I just need to go here and click on Find All. The only problem with this method is that here we only have 10 people because we have 10 leads on this LinkedIn page. And now what we need to do is to go here on the page number 2 to have 10 new leads. And so if you want to build your list of leads like this, you see that it takes some time because you have to do it over and over, page after page. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how you can identify leads when you are on a website. So for example, here I am on my website, so GiveMeLeads. And now if I click here on the Seamless button, you see that I have the company GiveMeLeads, and here I have two contacts, so myself and my co-founder Gregoire. So let's click here on Find, and now here what we can do is to add this company to a CRM, or we can add it to a list, or we have some more options. So this feature is very useful when you are on a website and you want to find some leads. You can do that with the Seamless Chrome extension. Now, the last thing I want to show you is how you can use the Seamless Chrome extension on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So here you see that I've made a search where I want to target people who are CEO in a company headcount between 200 to 500 people, and I want these people based in San Francisco. So you see that with this search, I have more than 1,000 results. And now if I click on the Seamless Chrome extension, you see that I have the list here of 25 people. And why 25 people only? It's because here on this page, we can only see 25 people. So if I want to see more leads, I need to go here on the page number 2. And here you see that I have 25 new people. But if you want to extract, for example, this search with 1,000 people, yeah, it takes some time to do that and it's not very convenient. So that's why I want to show you a good alternative if you want to export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get the verified emails. So basically, if you want to export these 1,000 people in just one click, you just need to go on GiveMeLeads.io, then you install the Chrome extension, and then you will get a button like this one, Extract Leads. So once you are happy with the search and you want to export your leads, you just need to click on Extract Leads, and then you will be redirected to GiveMeLeads. Then here you can give the number of people you want to export. So let's say just for this tutorial, 100. And here you can say that you want the emails of your leads. And finally, we click here on Export Leads. And now we just need to wait a few minutes and we will get our list of leads. All right, so after 2 minutes, the export is done. And now I click here on Download CSV. And here you see that we have our list of leads. So if I scroll, yeah, you see that I have 100 leads. Perfect. And on top, we have all the informations we need, like the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. Of course, you have the verified emails of your leads, the job title, location, and so on. So if you want to easily export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, get their emails, you can try for free GiveMeLeads, and for that, you just need to click the first link in the description. And now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find your best leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.